Hello, ladies and gentlemen, friends and colleagues. It's a great pleasure to be here today, and thank you, Thomas and Heikki, for inviting me to this conference. My first time in Slovenia, I'm glad. So it's a pleasure to be here. My name is Ståle Nordvik. I'm a director of sales and marketing at Seagull. I guess many of you have heard about us since we have been in the training and maritime education for 16 years approximately. Today I will give you a short speech about the seafarer's benefit of e-learning and onboard training. It's one of the ways to train people and keep the seafarer's competence at the high standard. So the challenges today is all the training that is required. There are new regulations and changes in existing regulations. We have a new SW 2010 requirements from charterers, oil companies, different industry standards, and also new technology that is coming, and at a faster pace. So how are we going to train our seafarers to all these new requirements? It's a big challenge, as I guess you all know. Today we have maritime schools and academies that are represented in the room, many of you, and also commercial training centers, and many shipping companies have their own training centers, shore-based, and they have also in-house training in the company office. In addition to that, the training on board is very important. On-the-job training and mentoring on board. I think mentoring is a key word, and is something that shipping companies need to start doing. It was more mentoring in the old days, but not that much today. And e-learning and onboard training. E-learning has come to be a standard for a lot of shipping companies today. So they do computer-based training on board. And they can also do computer-based training or e-learning online from home. So that is in addition to what the traditional shore-based maritime academies can offer. And onboard courses and distance courses is a very important part of keeping pace with the industry and the requirements. The benefits of e-learning, what is that? It's very easy and quick to distribute. If you have a new learning module, you can distribute it online and it's available very quickly. And also on board we can send material to the vessels within a short time, and they will have new and updated training available. And the content can be revised, and immediately the content is updated. And of course it's self-paced. The student can do the training at his own pace, and there's no need for an instructor. And also, of course, in e-learning you have the possibility to use animations and to show important content in a clear and effective way. So benefits for the seafarer. Well, you can do the training on board. You can do it online from home if you want. And trainee can work at his own pace. They repeat the material. If there is something is missing, he can repeat it as many times as he wants. And there is normally with e-learning, there is an assessment at the end with questions that must be answered, and then he can check that he has learned the content. And all the records from his learning is kept for him and for the company to be used later. And also it's important for self-development. If you have a shipping company that offer e-learning, can be part of a career development plan, so you can train on and gain competence on your next position, so you can stay ahead. And one very important thing is, with all the training demands that is today, seafarers, when they are home from sea, they need to go to courses a lot, especially in the offshore. There's a lot of courses they need to attend when they are home. So by doing some of this on board, it will save the seafarers time at home. There are also some benefits for the ship owners or ship managers. As I said, the training records and the development of each seafarer is available for them to review, and they can follow up the development and career of each individual seafarer. And you keep your crew up to date, and another important thing is that by using this concept, you are sure that everybody in your fleet receives the same training. So it's a uniform training. And of course you save on cost and travel for the shipping companies. Conclusion. Well, to be able to meet the demand for the training needs now and in the future, I think there is no way without having e-learning and onboard training in addition to the traditional maritime educational institutes. Thank you very much.